The number of COVID-19 cases in Armenia has reached 5,606 on Thursday, with 3 new deaths reported. According to the latest data, 2,581 coronavirus patients, 162 people in the past day, have recovered thus far, whereas 70 others, an increase by 3, have died in the country from the disease. Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan spoke on the COVID-19 situation and noted that the situation is much more serious than we can imagine. We need to take strict measures to bring the pandemic under control so that we do not have to resort to the most extreme restrictions, added in particular. The number of coronavirus-infected people in a nursing home in Yerevan has reached 45, 28 of whom are its employees, whereas 17 are the elderly receiving care at this facility. And 2 of the elderly people from the North nursing home and who had coronavirus and were in critical condition died Wednesday, Sona Mardirosyan, spokesperson for the Ministry of Labor and Social Affairs of Armenia, told NEWS.am. 2 deaths were reported yesterday, from among the 3 in critical condition, 1 from the coronavirus, the other no, she said. Armenia's Health Minister Arsen Torosyan briefed reporters on the current situation. Torosyan noted that 15 COVID-19 patients are hooked up to ventilators and 135 patients are in critical condition. The minister also noted that there are 23 pregnant women and 270 children infected with coronavirus in Armenia. According to him, everything possible must be done so that no patient is deprived of access to medical care. The minister added that 375 employees of Armenia's medical institutions have been tested positive for COVID-19. According to him, it takes up to 6 to 7% of the total number of patients. The minister also noted that as of Friday, most likely, citizens with a mild or asymptomatic diagnosis of coronavirus will be sent home from hotels and hospitals. The first session of the newly elected National Assembly of Artsakh was held on Thursday. Artur Tomasyan, representing the Free Homeland Alliance faction, was elected Speaker of this Parliament of the 7th Convocation. 7 standing committees have also been formed in the Artsakh legislature, and the chairs of these committees have also been elected. The preliminary court hearing of the case of Armenia's second president Robert Kocharyan versus Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan is scheduled for June the 23rd. Kocharyan, who is currently in custody, has filed a new lawsuit against Pashinyan for defamation. The reason for this lawsuit is Nikol Pashinyan's statements during the campaign that the country's defense budget should be increased by $2.4 billion, of which $1.2 billion of stolen money should be returned, and during that statement, Robert Kocharyan was mentioned. The Senate of the Czech Republic has adopted a resolution condemning atrocities committed against humanity, including the condemnation of Armenian genocide, the Armenian Ministry of Foreign Affairs wrote on its Facebook.